Hi guys, welcome to another easy nail art tutorial using water decals. These are super easy to apply and Charita is going to show us how. First, make sure your polish is applied and dry to touch. It's got some lovely deep green and pale yellow polish on, which is perfect for this botanical nail art. These are all you'll need. When you buy a decal sheet, it typically comes with a plastic cover, so make sure you remove that, and if it's not there, you're already good to go. Then you need to cut out the design you need with scissors. Make sure you cut it close to the design so that it fits your nail well. Then with your tweezer, submerge it fully in your bowl of water and keep it in there for a few seconds. It should get completely wet and the design should slide right off with ease. Pick up the design carefully with a tweezer and place it slowly on your nail. Tap it lightly on the nail to make sure it stays. Feel free to move it around while it's still wet. Finish your design with a glossy top coat. You bet people are going to be asking you how do you get such an intricate design on your nails. Water decals are your best friend if you're looking to do a quick and easy manicure within minutes. Let this super cheap and easy nail art be our little secret. And there you have it, an easy botanical nail art using water decals in minutes. For more such content, like, share and subscribe, and you know where to shop, ilovemypolish.com.